Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the DeepSeek AI app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your account on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DeepSeek AI application on your device. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. From here, you can directly start chatting using either Instant, Expert, or Vision. Now, if you wish to permanently delete your account and stop using DeepSeek AI altogether, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Then at the bottom section, you will find your username. Tap on the three dots alongside it, and this will open up the settings page. From here, tap on Account Settings. And now you will have the option to log out from all devices as well as delete your account. If you are sure that you don't want to use DeepSeek AI anymore, tap on Delete Account. You will then be told that all of your service access will be revoked, your chat history will be deleted, and your unused balance will be forfeited. So after reading through all of this, if you are sure that you want to delete it, tap on Delete My Account. You may be prompted to provide your password or the verification code sent to your inbox for confirmation. After you provide these, you will be logged out from your account on the DeepSeek AI application, and your account will be scheduled for deletion. If you do not log back in for the duration of the deletion period, then your account will be permanently deleted. And that is how you can delete your account on the DeepSeek AI app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.